The 2025 Audi RS7 Performance is not just a car, it's an adrenaline-fueled masterpiece designed to dominate the roads with its raw power and aggressive styling. This Autobahn missile packs a monstrous 621 horsepower from its twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering mind-blowing acceleration that pins you to your seat. With a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of just 3.3 seconds, this beast doesn't just compete with supercars, it embarrasses them. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures that every ounce of power is perfectly distributed, offering unmatched grip and control, whether you're launching from a standstill or carving through high-speed corners. Audi has refined every element of the RS7 Performance to make it not just faster, but sharper, meaner, and more aggressive than ever before. The exterior, finished in the iconic Nardo gray, features a more menacing front grille, wider fenders, and massive air intakes that scream performance from every angle. The Matrix LED headlights, coupled with an aggressive stance and 22-inch lightweight wheels, make this RS7 an instant head-turner, ensuring that it commands respect wherever it goes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that seamlessly blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The Audi Virtual Cockpit takes center stage, displaying real-time performance data, while the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel with RS badging feels perfectly sculpted for high-speed precision. Carbon fiber trims, diamond-stitched Valcona leather seats, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the RS7's cabin to a level of sophistication unmatched in its class. The dual touchscreen MMI system is packed with cutting-edge technology, offering seamless connectivity, high-definition navigation, and an immersive Bang & Olufsen sound system that turns the interior into a concert hall on wheels. But let's be honest, the real music comes from the RS Sport exhaust system, which unleashes a symphony of deep growls, crackles, and pops that will send chills down your spine. On the road, the 2025 7 Rupees Performance is an absolute weapon. The retuned suspension, featuring adaptive air damping and dynamic ride control, keeps the car planted at insane speeds while offering a surprisingly comfortable ride for daily driving. The rear-wheel steering system enhances maneuverability, making this super sedan feel shockingly agile for its size. Audi's engineers have fine-tuned every element of the driving experience, from the razor-sharp throttle response to the lightning-fast shifts from the 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, ensuring that this machine delivers pure driving exhilaration. And if you're the type who loves pushing limits, the optional ceramic brakes provide insane stopping power, allowing you to confidently unleash the full potential of this beast without hesitation. The 2025 Audi RS7 Performance isn't just about brute force, it's a statement of precision engineering and elite craftsmanship. It's the kind of car that turns highways into playgrounds and makes every drive feel like an event. Whether you're hunting for adrenaline on the track or cruising through the city, this RS7 delivers an unmatched combination of speed, luxury, and presence that very few cars can rival. The aggressive design, insane power figures, and cutting-edge technology make this car a dream machine for enthusiasts and speed junkies alike. Audi has once again raised the bar, proving that performance sedans can be just as thrilling as dedicated supercars. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of power, style, and everyday usability, the 2025 7 Rupees Performance is in a league of its own. This is not just a four-door sedan, it's a high-performance monster that refuses to be ignored. Welcome to the future of performance, welcome to the Audi RS7 Performance.